everyone! Kumusta na? And it's New Year and this is gonna be our first video for this year. It's now 2015 and for those na mga nagbakasyon, back to work na, and for sure, your coworkers or friends will ask you, how are you? Or sa Tagalog, kumusta? So, that's what this video is about. This is gonna be a review of those very common Ilocano phrases or those that we use sa daily conversations. So, let's start. If you wanna say how are you, kumusta kan? Kumusta kan? Ku-mus-ta kan? How are you? Or if you're talking to a group of people, you say, Kumusta kayon? Kumusta kayon? And to say, I'm good or I'm fine, nasayaat mo't na, sa, ya, at mat. Nasayaat mo't. Nasayaat mo't Agyamanak. Sika. If you wanna say thank you, Agyamanak. Nak. Agyamanak. And if you wanna ask, how about you? Or you? Sika. Si-ka. Sika. Nasayaat mo't Agyamanak. Sika. Kumusta kan? If you wanna say, that is if you wanna say, what about you? How are you? Sika. Kumusta kan? And to say, I'm okay, or okay lang, I'm okay, okay ak, okay ak. Or you can say, okay ak mat, okay ak mat, okay ak mat. Okay, let's do it again one more time. If you wanna say how are you, kumusta kan? And if you're talking to a group of people and you wanna ask how are they, kumusta kayon? Kumusta kayon? And to say I'm fine or I'm okay, thank you, you. Nasayaat mo't Agyamanak. Sika. Kumusta kan? Sika, you. Kumusta kan? How are you? Or, kumusta kan? And if you wanna say, I'm okay, okay ak, or okay ak mat, Agyamanak, thank you. So, those are our very common Ilocano phrases. And on the next video, we'll learn how to say Ilocano words about foods like rice and beyond, and some common phrases during meals. Okay, bye!